Clinical decision support supported by AI can help to address this challenge by helping to surface information that addresses all of these different factors. Whereas before, a clinician might have to look at multiple different sources of information to address all the facets of a patient. With clinical decision support supported by AI, that information can be surfaced more quickly and more easily. Very important to balance the expertise of human doctors with the capabilities of AI so that we're not replacing clinicians with AI, but we're using AI to empower clinicians to take better care of their patients. We do that by using AI really to surface information that the clinicians need rather than using AI to make decisions on behalf of the clinician. For clinicians to have trust in the technology solutions that they're using, they really need to be able to understand how they work and where they're getting the information from. So by making sure that we're being transparent and that we're able to explain how our technology works, we can really help to build clinician trust in our tools.